What's up, guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways that you can make money on Amazon. All right, welcome back. My name is Nick, and I am an Amazon and eBay seller. I sell books on Amazon, and I sell clothing, shoes, and hard goods, electronics, that sort of thing on eBay. I am a full-time reseller. It is my full-time job, and I make YouTube videos about these topics. In this video, we're talking about the 5 different ways that you can make money on Amazon. It's actually 5 general ideas, and then there are some different areas within each idea where you can make money. I'll explain as we move along. So before we jump in, let me encourage you that if you find this video helpful or informative, be sure to leave a like on the video. It helps the channel reach more people that it can potentially help. It is good for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're not already subscribed and you like this content, consider subscribing so that you can see more content in the coming days. All right, so out of respect for your time, let's jump right into the content. Here on my home screen, we have 5 ways to sell on Amazon. The first way is sourced products. These are products that you go find, whether it be online or in a store. You buy them and you resell them on Amazon. This is the most common way things are sold on Amazon. Roughly 70% of all products sold on Amazon are sold by third-party sellers like you and me. The first thing we're looking at on this list of source products are online arbitrage and retail arbitrage. These are normally items that you buy online or at your local big box retailer like Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Best Buy, that sort of thing. You buy them brand new at a discount or at a low price, and then you turn around and sell them at full market value on Amazon. This method is pretty cost effective for beginners and has a medium barrier to entry. The reason it's cost effective is that you can buy stuff on sale for a pretty decent price, turn around and sell it rather quickly if you do your product research correctly. By using the Amazon seller app, you can scan a barcode, you can see exactly what that item is selling for and if it's a good purchase or not. Now, the reason it's a medium barrier to entry is that as a new seller, you will often find that you are restricted from selling certain brands or types of items. Next on here is wholesaling. These are items that you buy in bulk from the manufacturer or the distributor at a very steep discount because you're buying in bulk, and then you sell at market value. This could be anything from like shampoo, coffee, certain types of foods, all the way to toys or clothing products. This is a little bit harder to get into because you have to have some sort of relationship with the distributor or the manufacturer in order to get into this. And then a lot of the profitable items are going to be restricted from selling on Amazon if you are a new seller. Now, this is a great second or third step. If you've already established yourself as a seller on Amazon, this is a great way to just jump in and take your business to the next level. I marked this particular method as rather expensive, and it has a high barrier to entry. Rather expensive because you have to buy things in bulk, which can be expensive, and then a high barrier to entry because you have to have those relationships with the manufacturer or the distributor in order to be able to work with them. Next, we have private labeling. Private labeling is whenever you do your own product research, find a profitable item to sell, and then contact a manufacturer in China or India to produce that item. You then have them put your private label or brand on the product. They ship it to you, you process through it all, you list it on Amazon, send it to the fulfillment center, and then sell like normal. Now, this method can be expensive because it'll take $1,000, $2,000 for the product. Then you have to run ads on your product in order to be seen, because just throwing a product on Amazon does not mean it's going to be found. There's a lot of research that has to be done. The product research software like Jungle Scout can be a little bit expensive when you're first starting out, especially if you don't already have other revenue streams feeding into this. So for this reason, I put this as quite expensive and time consuming, but it has a medium barrier to entry. You can generally find items that are worth selling that you're not restricted in. One huge drawback to this method is that if you find a home run item, an item that you're just going to absolutely kill, you're selling these items for $15 to $25 and your take home is 40% on this, it's very likely that other sellers will find this product using the same methods of product research that you used. They'll find your items and piggyback off of them. It's also very likely that Amazon will private label their own version of your home run item. If you've seen the brand Amazon Basics is Amazon's private label brand for items that they see other sellers selling really well. Then they turn around and they take their billions to the manufacturers in China and have their own version of that item made. The killer here is that they can often have the products made cheaper because they can buy in bigger bulk. They can sell them for a little bit less as far as price goes because they have a lot more of them. So in my opinion, private labeling is not necessarily the best option for the brand new seller, unless you just have tons of money and tons of time that you're willing to dump into this and go full force. This might be a better option as a second or third step as an Amazon seller. The next method within sourcing products is selling books. Selling new or used books that you can buy for a few dollars each and then sell them at used or new market value. This is what I do. I do this more of a part-time thing now. I used to do it full-time, start to finish, A to Z beginner video, linked up above. That video is approximately 25-30 minutes, and we'll show you step-by-step from beginning to end, the whole process of selling books. Or if you want a more in-depth look, I have a 3-hour Udemy course linked in the description below. It's $24 if you want to go check that out. Just click on that link, pick up the course for $24, go in, go through at your own pace. It's yours to keep. Within that course, you get my ebook as well, where I have a lot more resources packed within that. So check that out if you're interested. So the website that you would go to for all of these things to sell products on Amazon is sellercentral.amazon.com. I actually have that pulled up right here. This is the website, sellercentral.amazon.com. Become an Amazon seller, sign up. It's $39.99 per month plus selling fees. All right, let's move on to the next method. This is method number 2. It is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So basically, you write an ebook and it is sold as a Kindle reading material. If you're not familiar, Amazon has their electronic readers called Kindles. They plug right into the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing website. If you're a monthly subscriber, so you pay a monthly, sort of like Prime, I believe it's $8 or $10, you can read as many books as you want. Well, you as a seller, if you are a writer, if you are creative, you can write ebooks, short stories. If you're artistic, you can create coloring books and you can sell them through the Kindle Direct Publishing marketplace. Now, this goes two ways on here. The majority of the material is downloaded on e-readers and is read electronically. However, you have the option to have your book self-published through a print-on-demand service through Amazon. So they will print your book in a softcover format and ship it to someone when that person purchases that option. So the person has the option to purchase the electronic version, or they can purchase the paperback version. And because you have no inventory cost, just cost of time creating the item. Now let's talk about the Kindle Select Global Fund. Basically, all of the users who pay their $10 per month or whatever the price is currently to get the unlimited books, that is divided among the amount of pages they read to the respective authors. So the price is half of 1 penny per page read. So let's say you have a 50-page ebook and it is just gripping, and people read through your 50-page short story ebook and they complete the entire book, 50 pages. You will receive 25 cents for each person that completes the book. It takes time to build and to scale up on this. Quality and volume are key. You really want to hook people, and you want to hold them, and then you want to have a lot of books. So this is something, if you are an avid writer, if you enjoy the writing process, I highly recommend this. There is zero cost to start. There is no $40 per month fee like with the other options that we're looking at today. If you want to sell the actual book itself, those prices range from $2.99 all the way up through $7.99. You might be able to go a little bit higher than that if you're doing the print on demand. You choose whenever you upload your book to the website. So let's look at that website really quick so you get an idea. It's right here. It's kind of old looking. Right here we can see at the top, the new Kindle Select Global Fund for March is $35.4 million. So what that means is $35.4 million has come in from March through people that have the Kindle subscription to read tons of books. That $35.4 million is divided amongst all of the authors who wrote and have books uploaded whose pages have been read. Half of 1 penny per page read. I do have my ebook, the one that I was referencing with my course that comes free with my course. I have my ebook on here and I make a couple bucks a month, literally like $2.99, $4.99. It's just a couple bucks. However, it is out there, and I personally would really like to do a lot more with this. But currently, that's where we stand. One ebook up, and we make a couple bucks per month as it is. Our next method of making money on Amazon is merch by Amazon. It is a print-on-demand clothing service provided by Amazon. We're just going to fire through these really quick. Amazon is very picky about who they let in. You have to have pretty extensive graphic design experience, whether that be schooling or years of on-the-job training. They want to ensure that you're putting out quality products so that bad reviews don't come in. There's not a lot of returns. Amazon wants to protect its self-interest, and in doing that, they're very strict on who they let into this program. I tried to get into it. I have a little bit of graphic design history. However, I did not make the cut. If you have graphic design experience, I highly recommend you check out this method of making money on Amazon. You create your designs, PNG files, you upload them, you set up your little shop, you set up your listings, and then they go live. Hey, if people buy it, you make money. No inventory held, no storage fees. They do charge the $40 per month in order to sell. And so it's $40 per month plus selling fees. But like I said, there's no inventory held. So everything is just digital files. When someone buys it, Amazon prints it and ships it. Easy day. The majority of graphic tees that you find on Amazon are print-on-demand shirts. So that gives you a little bit of insight there. Like I said, Amazon requires you to have graphic design experience. High barrier to entry, low cost to start. Just your time and your knowledge, your skills, is the cost to start, really, in $40 a month. But high barrier to entry, Amazon's very picky about who they let in. Quantity is key. I know one graphic design artist who is a pretty big player with Merch by Amazon, and he says that he designs and uploads roughly 100 designs per week. And that can be anything from creating a base design and then adding little things to it, and each little addition or subtraction of the design is its own new design. But he does about 100 per week, and that's his full-time gig, is just Merch by Amazon, hundreds and hundreds, thousands of designs, and trying to dominate the market that way. Trends tend to do really well. Whenever you see something trending on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, capitalizing on those trends. Also holidays. When holidays come up, maybe a month, 2 months out, you start uploading your designs for that holiday. By doing that, you strategically position yourself to hopefully make more sales with those coming holidays. And then with this, probably leading up to those major holidays, St. Patrick's Day is a day where people spend a lot of money on merchandise because they want to dress in green. They want to have the St. Patrick's Day kind of designs going on with their clothing or with how they're looking. Christmas items, Halloween especially, 4th of July. These are all items that people get really proud to dress up for. So consider spending some money on ads until your designs get traction. The website for that is Merch by Amazon. That's merch.amazon.com. This is what it looks like. Upload your work, set a list price. We print what sells, fast shipping with Prime, and then you earn monthly royalties. And it gives you more information on there. The fourth method here is Amazon Handmade. This is Amazon's site for Etsy style sales. Basically, you make your handmade stuff and you sell it as handmade. You have to be creative and you have to come up with winning creations to be successful. Low cost to enter, $40 per month. Low barrier to entry. Your designs are yours. Your thing you make is yours. If you want to get mason jars and wrap them with twine and sell them, you can do that. They're your designs. Consider spending some money on ads until your designs get traction. This is a constant repeating thing. Unless you are selling something like Legos where they already have a listing and you just have to add your product to the listing. Anytime you make a brand new listing, it's probably a good idea to put some money toward ads to push your product out there and get it noticed. The website for this is sell.amazon.com/program/handmade. I don't know why they made that long URL, but here it is. Join our artisan-only community of sellers. Once you create a selling account, submit an application to join Amazon Handmade. Approval to sell in Handmade comes with a waiver of the professional selling fee. Sign up, $40 a month plus selling fees. And then it talks about what it is: artisan only, no hidden fees, custom profile, so on and so forth. Finally, the last way, the way that I am probably the most involved with selling on Amazon, is Amazon Associates. If you're not already familiar, Amazon Associates is the affiliate program for Amazon. So if you have an Amazon Associates account, you are an affiliate for Amazon products. Basically, you promote the products with your specialized link When someone clicks on the link, it redirects them to that item, but Amazon places a cookie on that person's computer. And so if they buy that item or any other item within 48 hours, you earn a commission. The percentages are low. About 4% is kind of the highest you're going to get, but there are 12 million plus items to promote. One of the drawbacks to this is that you have to have some sort of audience to promote to. So that could be YouTube, Facebook group, an email list, a product website, or a blog. The list goes on and on. There's now text marketing, where people will send Amazon affiliate links through text, just mass send them to thousands of people, and then hopefully someone clicks on it and buys an item and they make money that way. I don't do that. Most of mine is through YouTube. So if you actually look in the description of this video, you'll find Amazon links. Those are affiliate products. It's no extra money out of the buyer's pocket. It does take money from the fees that Amazon charges. It does take time to build up. About 3 years ago, I was making $10 per month. Currently, I'm making between $200 and $300 per month just promoting through my YouTube channel. As the channel grows, so do the clicks, so do the purchases, so does the money. Low barrier to entry, anybody can join, and it's free to join. So there is not that $40 per month fee in order to sell or be a part of the program. And the website for that is affiliate-program.amazon.com. You can see it right here. Recommend products, earn commissions. Amazon's affiliate program. You sign up, you recommend stuff, and you earn money. The percentages are low. There are many other websites and programs out there that have higher percentages, but not as many products to promote. All right, guys, that does it. Those are the 5 different ways that you can be selling on Amazon. I believe I've covered just about everything. If you want to see all of these in text format, down in the description, I put this entire layout, this entire bullet list down below, so you can kind of have a little bit more information. You can click directly to those links. If you're interested in starting to sell on Amazon, I recommend the Amazon Associates if you have an audience. If you don't have an audience, Books is where it's at. Linked down in the description, once again, is my course. It's on sale for $24. It's $23.99. You get the ebook in that. It's a full 3-hour course where you can go from absolute beginner all the way through advanced training on Amazon on how to sell books on Amazon. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you got value from it, be sure to leave a like for the algorithm and to help other people find this video. If you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing to see more videos like this, as well as eBay selling videos. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.